Welcome to Bill's Bridge class, Class 17, Inverted Minors, Monday, April 22nd, 2013. Inverted minors because minor suits are third-class citizens. Partner opens in a minor, and as we covered in the last session or two, your first thought should be to find a major suit fit, because minors are the last place you want to be. First, a major suit fit if you have it. If not, no trump. And finally, last resort, minor suit. So when you raise partners minor, first of all, you need 5-card support because partners only promise 3. And secondly, you've denied a 4-card major. The standard approach has a single raise 6 to 9 dummy points with no major, while a double raise 10 to 12 points dummy points with no major. There are issues with the standard approach. The first issue is after a jump raise, it's difficult to land in 3 no trump and know what you're doing. There's not enough room to investigate. For example, you open 1 diamond, your partner raises to 3. Should you bid 3 no trump? Maybe, if partner has a heart stop, but do you know that? Can you find out before you get to 3 no trump? No, you can't. The second problem with the standard approach is with a weak hand, you want to preempt, and you're not preempting with the weak hand, you're showing a stronger hand. The solution is to reverse the meaning of the single and double raise. It goes along with the law of total tricks. A single raise shows 10 or more high card points, 5-card support, denies a 4-card major, and is forcing to 2 no trump or 3 of a minor. Keep the bidding low. A double raise shows 6 to 9 high card points, 5-card support, and no major. Preemptive in nature. After the double raise, opener seldom takes further action. He may choose to continue the preemption by raising to 4 or even higher, or he may try to bid 3 no trump, but he knows what he's getting into. After the single raise, there's more to be said. Opener will usually try to determine if 3 no trump is a makeable contract. He wants to reach 3 no trump if it's at all possible. So his responses are 2 no trump with a balanced 12 to 14 point hand with stopper in all the other suits. Bid is not forcing because partners only promise 10 points. 3 no trump shows 18 to 19 balance points, stoppers in all suits, and notice that with 15 to 17 he should have opened 1 no trump, so he shouldn't have somewhere in that range. A new suit without a jump shows a stopper in that suit and is forcing. Notice it does not show a suit necessarily. It might be a suit, but partner is to assume it is only a stopper on its way to 3 no trump. A bid of 4 clubs over 2 clubs or 4 diamonds over 2 diamonds, or if you prefer to play kickback, is Roman key card 1430, which we haven't covered, but it's a control asking bid, which we'll get into when we talk about slams. A new suit with a jump that is not kickback or Roman key card is forcing the game, a natural bid, and implies an unbalanced hand. It's rather unusual. Showing controls is similar to Roman key Q bids. Opener and responder take turns showing stoppers up the line, just like you show major suits up the line. You bid the lowest one first. A stopper is a holding in a suit that prevents the defenders from running the suit. A stopper could be the ace, king doubleton or more, queen 10 third, maybe queen third, or jack 10 fourth. Like with Roman Q bids again, skipping a suit implies that you do not have a stopper in that suit, and ask partner to take that in consideration with his next bid. Responder's second bid is with a minimum. He rebids the minor at the 3 level, he rebids 2 no trump, or he passes opener's 2 no trump. With more than a minimum, responder will take charge will continue Q bidding stoppers up the line. Sign off if it is clear that a suit is open, or bid the minor suit up to the level he can bid. Or bid 3 no trump. If he knows that all suits are stopper, he can even make a slam try. Let's go through an example. North opens the bidding with 1 diamond. South raises 2 diamonds. 10 or more dummy points, 5 or more diamonds, no 4-card major. North shows his stopper, 2 hearts. I have a heart stopper. How about you, South? South, 2 spades. I have a spade stopper, and by the way, I have at least 12 points, so I'm interested in going on to game. North rebids 3 no trump. I have a club stopper. Let's play it game. South, that's fine. Next hand. North opens 1 diamond. South bids 2 diamonds. I have 10 or more points, 5 or more diamonds, and no major suit. 2 spades. North skipped hearts. So North is saying, I have a spade stopper. I do not have a heart stopper. South, 3 diamonds. I don't have a heart stopper either, or I'm not strong enough to go on in any event. Let's play in 3 diamonds. North passes. He has nowhere to go. Play in 3 diamonds. Next example. 1 diamond by North. 2 diamonds by South. Same pattern. 2 spades. Same pattern so far again. I have a spade stopper, no heart stopper. This time South has a heart stopper. He also has a club stopper, and he has enough strength to be in 3 no trump, so he bids 3 no trump. And North agrees. Pass. We're in 3 no trump. Best contract we can be in. What happens if the opponents intervene? Let's start with an overcall. After an overcall, inverted minors are off. We don't play inverted minors over any interference, as a matter of fact. Negative double is in effect. We'll cover negative doubles in a future class, but basically it is not a penalty double. It describes a hand that has support for an unbid major suit if there's an unbid major suit or other unbid suits. Without major interest, but with support, a double raise is 2 to 5 points, preemptive. A single raise is 6 to 9 points, kind of like the standard treatment. And a Q bid shows 5 or more card support with 10 plus dummy points. What about after a double? Again, inverted minors are off. A redouble, as with a major suit, shows 10 or more points with no support, at best 2 card support or maybe 3 card support for a minor suit. A suit at the 1 level, freely bid, shows 6 points or more and is forcing. A suit at the 2 level shows a good suit and a bad hand, non-forcing, because with a good hand you would redouble. A double raise, the single raise, are similar to the standard treatment, and Jordan, which is alertable, shows support, typically 5 card support, 10 or more dummy points, and again denies the major suit. It's very similar to after a major suit opening. In summary, use inverted minors. They're an improvement over the standard treatment. Remember to alert. Add them to your convention card. Be sure that your partner knows what you're playing so that you're on the same page, and may the force be with you. Tomorrow, we're going to have in Class 18 the opening lead. We're finally get to the point where we're going to be the defenders and figure out what we need to do. See you Tuesday.